Yeah, very good morning, friends. Welcome to Learning Through Puzzles workshop. In this Sunday special series, a special topic, we are going to learn about golden ratio. What is golden ratio? Let us see. And its significance in our nature and in our human life. It is one of the interesting and fascinating topic for the mathematicians years together from age old and days. If you want to learn golden ratio, first of all, let us observe a special sequence called Fibonacci sequence. What is Fibonacci sequence? 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, etc., etc., so on. If this sequence is known as Fibonacci sequence. Now, observe this pattern. Can you guess what comes next? Yes, you are correct. Your observation is correct. If you have observed first digit, first number plus second number, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Very good. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the term is given by the sum of the preceding two terms. This is Fibonacci sequence. Now can you guess what are the next number? Yes, you are correct. 21 plus 34, which is equal to 55. Similarly, 34 plus 55, 89 is the next number. Next numbers are 144 and 233. I hope you understood how Fibonacci sequence is working. Now, mathematicians didn't stop here, generating a sequence. They found the ratio between consecutive terms in the Fibonacci series, 1 by 1. 1 upon 1, 2 upon 1, like that they did. 1 upon 1, as the Fibonacci series 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, etc., etc., so on. They have taken two consecutive terms, second term divided by the first term, like that they did. They got 1, 2, 1.5, 1.666, 1.6, 1.625, 1.615, so on, etc. we use it to get. Finally, this trend we have observed, as the series is increasing, while we keep on the terms are going, it is going to end with a beautiful ratio, which is called golden ratio, that is 1.618033988,749. So this is having more significant in nature. This particular number is called as golden ratio and it is represented by 5. 1.618, we simply remember like this, first three significant digits, but it is a non-repeating, non-terminating decimal fraction, so it is an irrational number, just like our pi. Let us see the importance of golden ratio further. Why it is special means it is having so many properties, thousands of properties. Still mankind is trying to discover the properties among golden ratios. The human beings are studying over 2000 years about this golden ratio. It occurs everywhere, omnipresent. Golden ratio is omnipresent. Omnipresent means it will be everywhere, in art, architecture, nature, even in modern business also we are observing golden ratios. Let us see in detail, surprising. So the golden ratio is represented by the Greek letter phi. If you have solved the equation 1 by 5 is equal to 5 divided by 1 plus 5, the result is the golden ratio. In the irrational form, 1 plus root 5 by 2 or else 1.6180333, etc., etc., so on. That's all fine. Why we are learning this? What is the importance of this? Means surprisingly, golden ratio is omnipresent, I told you. Now, there will be a golden rectangle. If the ratio of the sides is, if the length is golden 5 times to its width, then that particular rectangle is known as golden rectangle. In a survey, when they have given all the different sizes of rectangles, it was picked by most of the people. The golden ratio, golden rectangle is the beautiful. Now can you identify which one is a golden rectangle in this? Yes, the ratio will be almost 1.618. That is golden rectangle. Yes, this one, very good. Next one, yes, this one. So these two are looking good. So that's why these two are called golden rectangles. Their ratio of length to width is 5. This golden ratio, that is 1.618. So this golden ratio occurs in nature everywhere. See, you have seen this ant. Ant head and body and the tail part. When we are seeing, the ratio is 1.618. And the ratio between veins of a leaf is 1.618. Wherever there is a beauty, there is a golden ratio is present. Even the golden ratio and golden curves are beautifully present in the picture Mona Lisa. Even if any ear is looking more beautiful, means it is made up of golden ratio. The ratio between its length and width is golden ratio. Even human beings, human face, the length and width of the face is in the form of golden ratio. Then we will treat those people are beautiful or handsome. Even in the snail, architecture is a golden ratio is occurred. Nature made beautiful things in golden ratio. Even our human body is also in golden ratio. Head, length of the head to the length of the torus, up to the middle part, and knees, below legs, everywhere you will find the golden ratio in the human being. Even in your hand also, you measure the palm length up to the wrist and hand length up to the elbow, you will find the ratio is 1.618, etc., etc., so on. In human face also, most of the beautiful faces will have golden ratio. If you are finding the golden ratio automatically existing between the teeth, between the lips and length of the lips, and between the pupil and the face length, eyebrows, all contains golden ratio. I told you, wherever there is a beauty, there is a golden ratio. The most beautiful, the Fibonacci sequence is also occurring in the sunflower. You are going to learn in detail in the next sessions about sunflowers and Fibonacci ratios. The golden ratio is occurs even in, what I mean to say, rose, everything, wherever the beauty is there, it will be available. Even in architecture, the Giza pyramid is also made up of golden ratio. Between height and width of the right angle triangle, which is a prime right angle triangle, which has made this Giza pyramid, is in the golden ratio. So that's what there you are going to see. There will be a right angle triangle, root 5 whole square plus 1 square is equal to 5 square. So that means there is an equation, 5 square is equal to 5 plus 1. If you solve this equation, you are going to get golden ratio. That golden ratio is nothing but 1.618033. That's fine. Leonardo da Vinci studied the golden ratio in human body. Everywhere, different parts of the human body is having golden ratio. Everything is made up of golden ratio. So that means golden ratio is inherently occurred in nature. Even in the music instruments, we are finding the golden ratio. Even the animals, we are finding the golden ratio. Even in insects, we are finding the golden ratio. So there is a whole lot of research is going on golden ratio. Even in modern logos, we are finding the golden ratio. The beautiful and successful logos we are finding, they are also made up of business logos made up of golden ratio. Even the Pepsi logo, Apple, Twitter, National Geographic Channel logo, everywhere golden ratio is there. And in our household also we are finding so many things are made up of golden ratio. Now I am giving you an assignment to you all. Take the any TV or almirah which is in your house, at least find one thing, golden ratio approximately 1.16 or 1.618, 1.6 or 1.618. With that ratio, find the length and ratio between length to the width of a thing which is there in your house, and you find whether it is in the form of golden ratio or not. Most of the chocolates, most of the credit cards, all are made up of doors, windows, made up of golden ratios. Now I am giving you a research hold project to you. Find a golden ratio in your house, take the picture and send it in our group. That's fine, my dear friends. How to draw a golden rectangle? First take a square ABCD, find the midpoint of the baseline, that is P. With the BP length, cut an arc and mark that point as E. Draw a perpendicular EF. Now AFED is a golden rectangle. This is the way how to construct a golden rectangle. Another homework for you is, in this workshop, draw a golden rectangle and send its pic to us. Thank you, children. All the best. We will meet in the next session, tomorrow's session, with another interesting topic.